Mishra, Saturday, you know,
Jom, Yamonpai.
And I was saying when Munyambo would dig in a once in movie pay. Himself a place of Fiber Macassa for the Bucas and a Duma Carabia with Dimia Bompai. Amen.
Master say, Abribia Ofa Bible. Namen Suma family. Me person there. My kind message be a man of Boss FM. Apam dadem. Na me pesa na yedidi nkomo kakra. Na pesa baby a obi ano. Na me asem ne ba won nkyɛn na waji. Na wabɔ wadwem pɔ sɛ asem na aba won nkyɛn na odi babobra.
Amen.
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 Na me sra sɛ ni pebibre bia Opaswo nya nkwaje ne message ni ontie bi. Jo ya kaso bi ye Kristoni a enya de wadware asra akotena sori dem. Last me ka asem bi se ya wode waje adi na wan sakraye. Se ujidi na wadwen sakra ba wie peya ayan kyerɛkyerɛ papa ubenya afri honkonkro en kyerɛkyerɛ papa ubenya afri honkonkro every se wanya good teachings ebeya wo se masakra ebeya wo se magye awurade adi enso untimi nsakra adwen sakra piasem ni ye jidi enko ana adwen sakra enko dia wagie di na wasakra na adwen what you say
yes
na wajai bone eye ana ya kan ne fra nyankopon ma ya nyese ogidi ya na wonkonkura betena mu no onya gidi wia ehiama adwen sakra
yes
na wajai bone eye ana ya wo adwuma a wo ye afa wonkonkura betena mu no aboa mo abotena na ebra.
Amen.
So what you say
yes
na magie di but men sakra madwen afore na meko na your church member what you say
yes
men kanya nkopon ahotefo ho ana men kanya nkopon ma ho yan hye saade no nso na no me ka asem bi se wo kwa asore nyaya se wo go heaven se wo wura so dem anyaya ani obi kura timi no kasa na awadi na chini wo wura obeto wadwene wo tim
wow
na mom to enter New Jerusalem eno ne asem no asore dem yan sone so wi ni ko apetesi ni ko obi te ho a oyi nyinsa agu dwuma amoni nso tena ho so ade ase enti asade am de atesi adafuo asase na ya dafuo fo no dua buro nyina wi a obanya baabi nso de banche abobo
kwaida
ankase ba dua buro wi entiemu ayama anya no korasa enti wa dua buro na wi no obanya baabi nso de banche abobo obu baba nchi ni wi abanya baabi adua nkuruma asase koro na mu obacha what you say obanya baabi adua muko asase koro na mu enso nkane no gira kira obaka saburo na piso enso obanya baabi adua bode asase koro na mu nti asade amono sana akoye amana nya wadwen se sabi wo wura so adam ne kire se o kanya nkopon ma wo eno de ifi utrim sa awade be count waka ne ma ho a number 1 ye ugidi a ugi no di eye wa number 2 wadwen sacha number 3 ne so be jai bone ye so what you say saa ne ɔman wotumi yi firi hɔ a afei nyame wo nkonkron baba bɛbɔ wasu baba bɛtena wo mu enti masɛm a mepɛ sɛ nnɛ meka ade kyerɛ wo afei ma memfa fɔ ɔkora nka ho ɛne sɛ wobɛ confess wo sin 5 wobɛfa yesu a yɛwura ne ɔkra agye nkwa so ade aseɛ 6 yɛbɛbɔ wasu ɛwɔ nsuom yɛbɛbɔ wasu ne nyinaa ka nkwagyeɛ no ho na mastera se na masese mani ɛwo ɔho sɛ ɔkɔ asɔre ne nko adeɛ ɔka kristofoɔ ho ɛnyɛ no korɛ amen na yɛne nkɔmmɔ nti na me sɛ mekɔfa tetedeɛ bi mepirikyi yɛakyɛ paa ɛyɛ message akyɛ na mesa akɔfa aba because sesei obi kɔ obi nim hɔ a wɔso yɛ Christian obi kɔ Beneza hɔ so yɛ Christian obi kɔ Asantema abɔfo hɔ wɔso yɛ Christian obi kɔ Awoyo wɔso yɛ Christian obi kɔ Nakaba 12 apostle obi yɛ SDNI obi kɔ Roman Pentecost Assemblies Deeper Life what you say obi ase wɔyɛ Christian unya ka ose ai ada na ade wo condemn o pese o kire se onko a wo de na ye no ye sampaka ni ndia ara won dia se ye sampaka ni ndia amen enti me pese o prufu kire me o prufu kire wade Kristo ni bia no o prufu kire wiase wo prufu a kire nyame so ade ase na wo prufu a kire nipa yes ayam yama me ansa you Christianity o tena ne adi akyerɛ wiase na wa you tena ne adi akyerɛ nipa what you say na wa you tena ne adi akyerɛ nyame yes ti asɛm ne yi if you say okay yanka Romans yanka or the say Matthew yanka Matthew chapter 5 the person me ka asɛm kakra bi ho Matthew chapter 5 and sana maba message in sukra I think Matthew 5 verse number 16
Matthew 5:16
okay 15
na won so kan yan fansha kodo ase na mu disi kan ye dia so na ashna ama wona wo da no nyina saa na mama mo kan yan se nipa anim ehunu me na ya pa wa hye mo agya wo so na nim nyam o sha ye kan ya no ya mane hire ewo nipa anim so se de sitie ya ma ye kan ya ne hire ewo nipa anim enti nipa ene be hu ya ne ya opa no mo so timi ya hye nyankopon de be ene mo nyam yankom Corinthians 4 verse 9 1 Corinthians 4 verse 9 na yemiso nyankopon de yen asomafo die o se na yemiso nyankopon de yen asomafo die kise wana wayi na mo wuo ebise ya ye ahwede ama wiase
on se de sitie ya ahwede
ma wiase ne abofo
asura abofo
ne nipa
ento tane no yenye no one side
labi so komba
what I say there 3 sizes obatire na ebra no ekire nipa na wabakire abofo na wabakire wiase o proof who kire Satan say you are righteous
amen
you are true what Christian se saade no so enti yankwa sori say obi economy kobi no me pesa no pay oteni o ma biase Kristosom no adum pampanso a wo se ye bie wadwenim ama wuru ni ama bi ojime so amepe amen joy bie 2 Corinthians 3 verse 1 na me ma won san kan asem bi ho
2 Corinthians chapter 3 verse 1
number 1
Paul ahon to so di na dwuma ho adanse
refiti
ase bio ayi ho aye
Paul say enti say me fiti ase bio na ba yi me ho aye
anase hiama yen se de yeka abram
hiama yen se yeka abram ne de yeka abram so ma ya ade o ma ba sore ma ya ade o
anase nya bi firi mo nche
anase ye trase se ye hwe abasobo yan sore ma ene o ma wa bonten de babo yen
se de ebinum yo no mo na yen krata wa hwe ne yen akomem
afaiti haye wo so wo ye krata
atwe ne
akomem
nipa nyina hunu no wakenkan
krata no aye de bai
wakenkan na boda de se mu ye Kristo krata wonam yen so so
ya kan krata ye nyamu asem
information. That's right.
Ye nyam informations
good.
What I say ye good things and bad things good. We say sad no so enti nipa bia wa baji Kristo adi no we say we ye krata me ai nipa nyina hwe wa aye de bai akenkan enti we say ye good things awo wo na me watimi ase je nyankopon de bai adibonyam osmo ne krata
nyina hunu no
wakenkan to aso kan
osina osimo ne nkata nipa nyina hunu no kenkan mo da di se mo ye Kristo krata wonam yen som so twere
onam som so Kristo som so ana akyere
amfa dubri na nyankopon ti asefo no
na me ti asefo hom no de so
enye abo pono so
kenkan
de makoma honam pono so verse 4 sa woto so yi ne nam Kristo so enye nyankopon fam
yenye ni nyankopon fam sawu to suyi ani yenya ni nyankopon fam
enye se na ye fata se ye besusu ahunu bibi se de ye firi ye na mu
what ase enye se ye me ye fata
memu ye fata ye fata ni firi nyankopon
nyamemu
ono me ye fata sa pamfo fro nsomfo
what ase enti all the time e was say ye nipa bia wabo wadwumpe so be di Kristo chia okunu nioma qualities e wo Kristo sum shanon so adia ba ko adwo me pese ehunu ni se me beje Kristo dia ma ba submit me ho to the powers be me de me ho ba se to me kase bi dia ba ase deserve say me start se me am control me ho me to me shata adia me pe
bio amen
ana me to me mo bra me pe anya djuma me pe ana me timi ayo me pa to atia se because me me who be say to me be dia ben ase enti no under authority.
That's right.
Obi enti ase me me who be say to me e wani mo nyam kase ase enti say to me no ana command me a kire me say ye wey na nya wey the moment ya maboma dwempo say me am ye dia me pen na me nye to me ne ase me pre independent.
Yes, we feel ase no
what you say enti Matthew 6 akase me say what try yam Bible no ya Job Yohansa
Matthew chapter 6 verse 9 Radem Bible enti mon paye say na ja wo soro woni ni mera dia wo pe enye asase so de ye osoro
o se do ase aka na dia wo pe enye ya pe
bio
enti so be nya beje Yesu Kristo di wi a wa pe ni ewu wa pe di ewu o sofo apedi ewuru alda pedi ewuru jeme so amen de na pedi ewuru eni eja oso what I say and always people so huna and not trust someone entire
amen
but I can come afutuo enkyerɛkyerɛ ko sise Kristo baba emposo sofo bi anasa teacher bi ekyerɛkyerɛ na daji trotro ninsam no oko retro sem se etesa ko satan tumi fa kwa bi so apolitu ni padwene
opa
yunipa afri nyamemu beba cha wadi ase obabu sam se obi a oya sofo de hwe Peter aya next command to Christ Satan ran Satan ewura Peter mu what I say and the foot am de ma one and say bisa who say and so okanya nkopon ma ho o say tell wadin ya tro woni mu and to suban dada abrabo dada no wajai emi na di adanse Ephesians 4:20 Ephesians chapter 4
Ephesians chapter 4 15 Ephesians chapter 4 verse 15 was name 17 say we go amana man your bonnet
te haye wonya badi Yesu Kristo di pe amana man
your bonnet
and your bonnet and sawe Jotunum
your bonnet yes
what you say tata
amana man your bonnet
akoshibra lesbian gay what you say abosonsom
amana man your bonnet
te haye lesbianism or to say homosexual and a Freemason Lord occult the person that comes out and ritual when you material to Christ to this room there is no need to join any society.
That's right.
You can't worship two masters. So that's a Freemason no power no one yes to know
yes.
So it's a Christianity. Jesus na pena semua na be dinachi. Ye ni ya sochi amfa ya diri ni nachi enya yakoma. Waju nyina ni wakoma nyina ani wakra. Waju asia ani wakra edini nyina di Christianity. Shanonso. And any Christianity wa brokra Ohonama kwadi na dinachi odi aka nka wo jahaye jokenkai
Ephesians chapter 4 verse 17
down to 20
amanamai ne your bonnet
and your bonnet amanamai no ayano so wabanti Yesu adidia
si guno
na wa setira wajua na so si wajai bonnet ya dia
si guno
Osama na man your bonnet no
you know
what is it asema me kai the person no twa adwini si baby
that's right
it was so good na yewuru only Christ ni so ewo mu
amen
ama yewuru mana man your bonnet ni wo mu
amen amen
every say obi ma je Yesu Kristo dia na asati amadin wo jai bonnet ya I was yourself feeding in memory. So, Satan, I'm a trauma. Oh no, I need you to feed in memory. But that's what I say. Into the no pay, and I'm a John 8:44. No pay,
yes.
So that's it. Or 2:4 or Cronford,
yes.
Or Dada for, or Dada. What I say? What's all with this war? With you. And to say, what's your sacra wagon? Offering in time. No one but Christ. The new may be a hobiano. Throw it away. Amen.
Amen.
Now you're empty mommy. You feel the command. Now go pass him.
Amen.
What I say? Let's show you. That's a God spirit and then take over. Not also my new words. One feed you memory, you know, with holiness, with sanctification, with righteousness.
Amen.
One from feed you. One from the fruit of the spirit and feed you heart.
Amen.
About all that here. Number one, no, such a deal in a corner. I saw them free. Somebody make it on no. Go on think
Osinti meka ye ne media dance
awadi. Meka ye dia dance awadi mo.
Samo nanti biye se da manama aka no nanti wona
adwuma. Nanti Kristo Yesu adidia.
Nanti biyo.
Tawa sakra wadi dia.
Nanti biyo.
Na won chai bonia.
Nanti biyo.
Jemeso amen.
Amen.
Paul say, yen kantre say. Ono obaji Yesu Kristo dia no. Ono honam wani moja antie jama. And to also shine
amen.
But all was here. Christ by him on competition 23 years. Now one to them. Bonnie no mimu. And so Bonnie and Nilfo. So I said, Bonnie and to be a random. And to pour some check Christ. So that's Yano. so study sadio and the one so about you Paul to for say and on Biblia son of man can mention one of you who you one
they say when him de
a son say there are so many or so about you do the
soon na dwene du shum
it is open na nkajetia na onko asore oye wiasini osum na bosom oye lesbian na satade na oye oba na tunu go ha and some Pentecost asha dem nkosia so for yere abrabanya study the word.
Amen.
Unti asemni sa semna have the power tini wasn't me do more dance mo nanti bi o se
amanamaya
nanti wanadwene hunu yemu
wana dwen adurusum
tahayo adwena wamanya no adurusum aye satan
tini yesum no
ana politio.
That's right.
We give them directions.
Why?
What is it? I want to use Christ already. I also want sacred wagon. What I bonnet. Why you follow them?
Oh.
Why you follow them? Look at your fingers. Look at your eyes. Show a Nicosia. Show a Niatete. Show your wire. What is it? Show your wire. If you are pumping coffee from baby, I have to fish here.
Some more.
Come on, and get some crana. Why would you announce yourself crown and you made your demand?
What did I know?
What did I know? What is it? What do you possess? Only we are Simon right church. You are challenging this world. What is it? And the power shit and then to you.
Said Amanamaya can until one had been winning.
Sanonso. Amanamaya can. Christianity a nation.
Yes.
A new nation, Jesus Christ, accurate. About it. But what is it? Fine. And the one person nation in Biano was say, and shaman a man was Yano, 1 million bonnet. Now, a beer on the same nation, no matter not glad, I do some.
Fashion.
And to send a two grab on tear on cat.
When you do so,
when you follow any assembly, when you under authority of God or under authority of Satan,
to me, the open.
And to trust some laws of God and show be all you. You see, as I make a way of some laws of God is so far. One can send you more, you know. As I make a necessity. As some laws of God are so far more gara. One can send you more, you know. A billion saying, so for my form. Or so for my for trust and a crumble. I can't really put a good. At a channel, one number of family, a sacred Benjamin, and I'll go challenge.
Challenge was
What is it? And some case of my media, I was so dressing.
Yakama,
I look decent.
Yeah, he was young.
What is it? My poor deeper life. When we shall move the baby, I the side, the food. But one yes of my name, one dressing.
It was a different crowd.
It's a different. So dress it, what you are, which means a yes. A drama means why you're so man.
You know.
The humbleness and the club of a church member.
You know.
The also the ocean were out of it. When you are to present a member dressing your pet.
You've been a choice, so Mammy no cree. Crown in the
hand time Casabi.
Yes, of me they pick it.
What is it? The top of the Pentecost, Abashon, a former Pentecost, my dear. Look on the Swama Pampo. You need to be able to go mani ho ohana shaase
obode bana
ya ka ho so mo manfa anabodi pampansoa sofo manu yo bekina sese
watuduku no nyina tu
what is it
nyina
what's a trust not down
nyina dudu
what was nyamo ha komam nyame ha komam but yani pansoa yan share her body. If you go to 1 Corinthians 4 now.
Yeah, she did maybe.
Now we shock them, but you only punch your somebody judge.
Anybody do you know?
Awesome. What do you know?
That's right. Bible can.
Wakasema kuma mobwa. Daya kuma mabufu on the pied.
Dear daddy, you will get
fire. When you German Franco, I bring you.
Was it your welcome them?
10 years. It's a welcome. The percent, a boss say, a person, you know, I can't say you can dress in the trouser to the church and then be a kicker come. Oh, bullshit.
Yeah, Martin, you.
I saw it, Michelle. I'm already a dancer for person, you know, or so a master and I free a mouth. I do am the kind of moment the Bonabasso. I'm not saying you do not a moment, Charlie. You be to Mr. Trust a pastor.
As a young fool. Oh,
and the building is coming to say, we are Bono. That's one woman, and you're beyond. I know Juma, or you never come up for the
when they are Sam.
Sorry, I say, because Adam did one. Well, we know your baby self. Well, we said your baby dog. But about the year, you bring from the baby and for Sabon. You couldn't ban who's not in your mental mat. Once a sense of issue. The name is church is now God's spirit a Geoffrey. And sorry, I cannot. And no Baptist and the fountain. Spirit of God and preserve you and not a sorry for me. What is the same? So I say, we can see a bit to us. I call a pursuit to send the Yankwana Yana. Answer is no. Amen.
Amen.
But you can't touch yourself. When your friend is setting you for, and we can't put your foot on the path. We are paying the time when we do for. Now, church or the already pay. Do you have person here? I'm not saying to you. When I was so catch us, we'll be a really fear so sharp. On so ready now. Also back when you the other few. What I say apostle, you two us was so. Who knew what? Was so two us because why would you feel so shit? Also banning or buy a Rastafarian. You need to sit down and check it. Because you can't control your wife. Wife now was shawasino. Ultimate control. How come? So much we are controlling and compassion.
Don't be anticipating.
So yes, yeah. One man answer. One Johnson.
Yes, and I.
One man. Or you can't who me. Simon Penny to me Johnson. Want to me and show man control.
Timmy, I'm yourself on that.
What yes, yeah. It's not a punish run. Be a Christian. I must have here. I must have here. The son of Koswana at time. And to know what was said, or the friend would do from what catch us a Bagino to number. Because one who did the animal and all that chat of him. One of you born so couldn't have been trouble, and I am not done this cape. What is that? You're down to so duka. They said you one more be a quiet Juma said to be to a man. You're daika. What is that?
Yes.
Yes. Because I'm a boy, but be very clever.
Amen.
Heaven or hole. Heaven or hole. So, man, can't cry to my house. Job your Titus. Man, cousin me. Titus 2. Titus 2. Kinkai 2.
Titus chapter 2 verse 1.
Verse 1.
One a wanyini asede.
Obi antiabi.
Na wo de kan se me fata nkyerɛkyerɛ pa no. Enkokora ni su na ho.
Kinkai.
Wona ni munya du. Wona adwene mo nte. Wonya won digidi odo ne bo aseto fam. Emre wan su mu ombra se de fata ni pa konkron woni nsekuru. Onye nsabia mo nkyerɛkyerɛ nsɛmpa. Na wo de ate maba wa adwene ama obo bela ama wa do won kununum ne womma. Na wa adwene adwempa awe won so aye won afiafie aya defo abra wo ho asem o wara kununum na wakonyankopon ankanyankopon asem ho asem
it's a mobile one go so that one some dress and no life I don't know what outside
on be ka jambo na ya fa ho eno so no waye mobile
what you say I don't be ka outside
on be ka bia bo mudin so for na outside no
amen.
Amen.
Your verse 11.
Verse 11. Ose asetrapa. Onyankopon dum a eje nkwa ba ma nipa nyina no ayi ne ho ewo yen ene yen na ya pa musubo ni wiase akono a yemfa adwinmutie ne tin nyamsompa entena wiase bire.
Jo, sense should be
ose na onyankopon dum a many penny na ya ne yen say ya pa musubo
number 1 obi o ba Kristo di ni wa pa musubo
eni wiase akona yemfa adwinmutie ne tenene
yemfa adwinmutie ban
tie ne tenene
eni ko si adwinmutie so ya manama akano adwinmutie
right
I was adwinmutie
ne tenene nyamesompa entire wiase bire entwe nyankopon kese ene na genkwa Kristo Yesu ahoto ani da so nanim nyama ho yi
what the Bible no say enti sale sema baje Yesu odi na meti asase Yesu na se still
dwene du sum
maduri da so Yesu dia
nyama mai ne ya oni bia
no problem
that's right
no problem but you know when you come for your pet obi ba padi anam na kodi na ma wi sika awo nipa na wasoma no no ho ama
yasebo
so ase adena wo to no aye 20 cities mini nipa ni be yedi na dia jini sister cities so ase 600 cities so ase we be wi or the say 400 cities na dia manipa no no that show them say me kwa sorry me elder
ani Christiani
you are complete thief we are convert something who shawma the power opani and then just saw the bit to some you know aka chance me nyama djuma sa nyama djuma sa adre 20 cities some the bit to some na ni par ko ba bi ko bisa no say 20 cities na ni maguas me so bi ngumi Kristo ni mo ase
amen
ani na adene me metobi o house akọ
wanenko
koni wi asefo ni nidwa
no
but I want to but one should you know
na ya frawo ye bi
what you be tax you what you tax na about 4 million what you ko 6 what you have you
ko asori you
ko 6 400 you be petrol 1 million the akwafa
company for sorry I'm so you kiss
what's what you do with you babio what you da so
yes
so for what says mommy masa
shalom back
Benjamin sha di no kora ko fia pa master says na utwama na dia watwa but nam ye adwuma no radio adum timi nya 4 million
wow
it is say me tia o says ni ma wana me fa ma jai na me ya no kwafo me di no kora mo
no you don't do
it but I say interest mama
you don't want to
e be koyi de bi o wa enkoyi interest mama ma ya adwuma no se ka wa kuma se chemska
jiwe di kura
what I say 4 million ni the other mama to for man
be power sem papa
we can't say obi ntimi fa wati anko tetro
kai
but Ghana ni say obaka twa se o twitafo oni ba tia no akoyi suhum
You did this in the Quanta.
It is a drama for a course. And so you Christian, you saw on Trekano, I want to. Good as it. They will click me so a pass. Would you part spend a man? That's how our brothers want to travel.
Because there be,
or I catch yourself, baby. As a trend say, Chronoboom, or Babaka.
Because you win him quite so.
I say, this is a new boy now, what did I tell you? You're comfort, no, not kaboom.
No, I could find any pa.
Johnson is it, or no, I could find any pa. No, you. No, no, salvation, assemblies of God, and when a man is born in a sakra, is your that room. As I can say, this is all job and bros in Kansas City. We are at the DNC.
Oh, Semasi.
We are presiding at the way of Safo, and they are doing the sea.
What can any panos on Semasi?
What is it? What's it? What's it? I do pull out of him. And Konya good and really Sikabana to yes, so choosing about them Sikabana the toy.
Then Sikano, then Yamaba
Sikabana the toy, can correct.
Then Yamabasa
can correct. Sikabana the toy, the toy, Konya good them. Before choosing about Kaka sister in Chismo, yes, Kawai. Also, I can't set a port man. A boy with the man and your son and a port in it. Would you see can wash out another port?
Sit down for
I don't say Subush and your show. It's in your money, I come for them.
When I mind your bonnet.
I said, I can't know. What's your say you go on a man? Your bonnet and two months. And you bonnet sack. And you know, go for free. China made your family saying, Dubai now, what the buy? What are you saying? Now, did you say?
That's one of those.
And your duty, Master, no, I go for a duty, got a house.
I don't even know.
Never go for and make credit card in tea or beat me try. I tried to have your laboratory, no, I could hear duty, not the other. Credit card, never go for your duty. Yes.
Duty cost.
What's in your cotton engine? The friends of Dubai, and I said China, and I Korea. Jabos was intact. What do I say? I won't cause a complete engine. Yeah, to do your maybe a few. Yeah, catch us against what's out to do.
If you were question in the question,
I say, into the trust you are not a shake. One electricity of Jimmy, boys, yes, is upon your daddy. You must also, why is you over 10 years away? Why is not by my own change you yellow? So why is no way?
Come on, far bad young command.
What was it? The foot machine. Be very careful. All you say can be detected. We are saying, I'm do some work as a Yansa. You want Yamsa, you want Yansa. I forget I'm the amount. What you say? Amen.
Amen.
And Pampan, so I do. Go. Titus 3, verse 3 down to 6. Young Shah Kakra.
This if it's a year so I can not young Quasia.
Young Quasia.
I saw day for any power from any power not the Bia from some Akono.
Yes, some Akono.
Me and Didia would me and the bonnet any term. Well, we are now. What's in Tanawan? What is it? The power here. I didn't quite know Copa, no do you know what you know.
Yes, Christo, my boy. Do you know what?
Inflicting him, I am them on one and a man of fire. On Nami and I didn't quite use to Christus where she and Supi. On an album swabby and Bim. What is it? I may have down Cornelia so what did you for? Amen.
And now, sorry, Kuno. You. And you are Johnny, my children to show you my boss for dear no. My software, be a Christian.
Wow.
Amen. Be a Christian. You need to change your character. behavior amuna woni yesu niye no subai na me kura wo wa begina dia tutuma
amen
ojira so amepa
amen
so wa begina dia me se yare yabai tukuna me pasa na pai obi a wa chem ni very careful antala yesu aba sana mi shaw na man fa no kura ma wa ma hawo
yes
tini mishaw man fa no kura na ma hawo ba sana de no kura ma wa ma wi ma juba
that's right
ojira so amepa
amen
ti asemi me se de no kura ma na ofa ma wi ma juba ojira so amepa amen afei jo Titus kind 5 up to 9 we are better 13 years old
3:5
Titus 1:5
Tito chapter 1 verse 5 esu efata ohwefo
obi antibi
yenti na mede me ho nija Kreta na wasiesie nneema
Paul Kasembi
osi yenti na mede Kreta na wasiesie nneema aka no pepe
na nneema aka no wato bo asiesie ne pepe
na wasisi kuro bia na so mpanimfo
wasisi kuro bia so mpanimfo
said ye me share wo
said ye wahye wo
de ne huni asem bie
number 1 say ye fa obi ya panina osefo obi ya ne huni asem on tonensa
ote ye
na so ka say
amen
ko ba to ya se panina ye fa so na ya sare no anyi ne ko ase ne na fare ba wo bontu na wo se fa no
ye fa no
o se fa panina ne huni de ba eni asem the Pentecost asafo mon show mo prisa the elders and the elders need to continue na babla who ansem yes asafo assemblies of God deeper life everywhere asafo mon show panu for mo sisini ye na babla who ansem
dia ne huni asem bie
what is it ansa na babo obi so ya apostle what fan is so for hwese ne huni asem onye jamanfo onye sikanibrefo ne ma sama sisa no mu suban tie nkaso wie Bible school tema anante no ani aba ya chef no you need to show
that's it
anante no na church ayakana
I'm saying doso
what is it there is no God spirit within the church what you from kana yanti sa sama osofo Paul committed
dia ne huni asem bi
oyide
ba ku kuna awoma didifo a wonte ahohwie anaso den ka won ho
what asem no asawri na da no
omanu
asawri na to asoka no ana da ha
oyide ba ku kunu a awoma didifo
sofo ani sisi ha no ne ba ma ni nya ne da sofo wa kom na kwa what asem sofo hansu dia ajay
ko ankara
what asem amam kwa it is all what the can hona so pama ene obenya sika didi ya kwa da kan we usa family very terrible na sofo ayiri no nyina wo fa wo
adai
ofasa na yira no akoto dan ya mama wona te ha was of panisha memra no maybe 3 days na mompai wa barko okuchiso abogana na yira sala yira ko Spain ebi yira ko Canada
wow
ebi yira ko Germany amana Germany what is it the person can send to you be very wise
amen
be very clever
amen
amen tiasemini jo sasi bio
osi dia ne huni asem bie
dia ne huni asem bi
oyide ba ku kuna awoma
awo sono awo sisi sofo
mo cheki o
Pastor Ramford
mo cheki
awo so very careful
cheki ne
ayo bia no so bone sofo wo
cheki ne bi ma
ayo bia no so fa ne elder wo be very careful I'm not against you
ko no no
tiasemini ebi akonfo
Mum.
Obejina one minister on your own baby. also minister. You need to punch me. What has your back up with a
times I would know. Boy, I'm not
so very careful.
Then who just be?
Then who has somebody
back or ma did it for yes.
What can you do?
Amen.
On you was on training so what is so on community as a money on President Belgium and got taken what has here? Or do you or respect or money you come and you beautiful?
Yes.
What has here? What slow on my come what beautiful?
Teneno.
Trassamini or your shabba.
Point.
Trassamini when you power yet dry by your hand tight.
Here can you walk on a
Trassamini.
The Hunias in
the
Bakuku or
Media dancers or 1 year will be. So say, I got to be so
needing to me go.
Sadama, you sure not yet.
Panachom Sero.
No bunko to get
Yamu. Somehow bound.
Bonsam or suffer bonsam. Bonsam the Bonsam Sisia. No boy said about Swatapano. I have bonsam. Of course, you are in
dumb power.
Bonsam, I was so unfair down. What's that quote? I said, you know what, preaching?
What I could do, Cassa. You're about Kukuna. I want my GD for I want to. I want
my GD for I want to.
And now, so I'm a man.
And now, so I've done somewhere.
What's the idiot?
What has it? One Tiakoshibra. Say, oh, 2 or 1 pack. Say, oh, call or the same. Club, I would do. I saw for ma. All that's ma. Beckins ma. What has it? Oh, ma. So therefore,
Papa couldn't control.
That's okay.
Or say, not the sorry for the say, when you was in big. So when you couple fear for, or yet, our prefer a buffet for.
What is it? Now, buffet,
a buffet, Sajiam, Popo, a buffet, another fruit, name of our hoye, or papa. Now, you or tenant, what what in any castle? Certain question said you were telling me.
Or so I didn't question you. Said I
to me, then church part 2. Now, were you a Jimmy or you know you did a tinge for a time?
What is it? Obio Jimmy. Obio jet you know.
Or you not
catch as a massa. Until you just phone the guy. Now, don't cost you. A chunk as your child.
Your moment can oversee.
What is it? It's your qualifications and will qualify.
That's a good role. And
that's your qualification. And that's your qualification.
I'm qualifying now, Fata.
What is it? We are connection, and that connection man. Show qualifications of a tower. What's that? What's some of the board? Or therefore, she said, where is a tower?
My way.
Or therefore, cigar, or therefore, we. She said, a tower.
No, sir.
Or therefore, I Guinness.
Oh, no.
Or therefore, don't go. She said, a tower.
Teacher, when you're the other kind of city, sir.
Look, yeah. Oh, teacher, you're the other kind of city. Yeah. What is our Bible? Who will be a home?
DVB TV, yeah.
I ask you, just what you know, Cassava.
Oh, dear. And I'm from you.
That's some cousin.
If you say, I will send one in our dad for so you have 4 P.
What does it look? What's every side? I will send
one in our dad for so you have 4 P. It is only one of future theatre.
What does it? You think you know? One man, you born so many young couple do my 4 to teach them. You know, so amen. The person, or be out here and tell you, young son coefficients, you know, your coefficients.
I say, it's something say when a new word dear beauty, what one mama who shall go. Now, you're feeding as a soldier, I saw your Christus.
And to some better Christian idea, and you can say, what is a Satan? I control my true. You can say, I do some.
Yes, you are dear.
The lifestyle, I was saying, pure. I was saying, I can't hear my one. Amen.
Amen.
I was saying, I'm born in daddy. Don't let me a sacra. I can say, a bregu. I was saying, I was saying, I was saying, my brother sacra nipa. What I say, my warrior, clear your foot here. I don't want to friend your warrior.
Right.
I was saying, Bibiano. Me ya dear before the dear me. Me pension yam home for sure.
That's it.
What I say for warrior no die. Warrior no bani de da no jano. Was in yam say okwasia. No asa ko for ba fofo. No sorry man shake ho. No sorry man to we won danger. E betimi akokroma polu to nipa. Somebody, Ada Jana yere, Ada Jana yere, Ada Brony yere Tiano, because we Shika. Oh, and this other church on them, Bonnie and Kosu, I saw them on who were them. Did you ever come watching? Mama, young Titlin, young to chat me yet your quine. Mama, she saw young to Christian Blabba, na young Shia. Let me a dear.
Amen. Amen.
Jemeso amen.
Amen.
Sikanibra si akumama. Sikanibra o. Nanu me kasembi. Asaraba ya dia. Yaso ya menyame. Eduma bi ba so dem na asaraba ya. Asema nyina mo ho.
Na menyame.
Ya menyame.
Asem ne jira wo.
Emi aduma na hwelo.
Na dia akoso.
Na dia akoso nyina mo ho. Wo di ase. But the successful ya aduma na boso me sonso a oje akatua. Na we are why?
Yeah, menyame.
Asaba de o ya menyame. Na wo so fun so ya na why?
Na me so fun ya. Na me so fun.
What you say? And sika eba tumunti. Sofo di sofo so say ni certificate ni wo form.
Wa go school go certificate yo form o.
Zini okopaja. Okobodi diploma. Anu na be page na ni pelum. What you say? Ono hu so ya nyam juma. Sa se juma bi ba sore ho. Na sa sore ba bi ye bi so ya menyame.
Tu hu ache juma.
Tu hu ache juma. Ya menyame. Ya mo nyame. What you say? If you do so many answer for Kojak, now we are doing my way.
Too much. So, you allow one of my.
What do you say? You can be first secretary best and mine.
I'm a tomb.
Again, I don't know what to say.
Dear,
and then I'm doing my
Musia Yado.
What do you say?
I have pen.
I tell you, dear,
because I'm 2 hours.
What do you say? I tell you, dear, I'll be quite to be long. I will soon know.
So when did I saw
the battle, the prescribe I am adding to Mama 5 months pay.
Church,
I ask him. I ask him. I saw you here to be a summer yet. So for my jack, you are known to be a master of the Anaka. What is it? Someone has a man from Manua, and you may say, oh, I'm a friend or so, Mama Eldana, me fine. Yeah, Daya.
What do we?
Say, well, request is Sicano, or to say presenter. What is it? Our request is Sicabia farmer.
Ah, we can over me and sir.
Over me, sir. Oh, I said, to be a Chemefia. I can't matter. To be a Chemefia, or the Anchemefia. No, radio for Frodiano.
Oh, we read it.
What is it? Loco. Sana so for the eye. Don't you know?
na mo de mo se Kristo sa
ose na mo de on se Kristo sa
ampa se mate na wase church mo ni
ya church Kristo mo no kura
that's it and say mo kane brabo mu fam de mo nyini pada da ele say wo na da ko no mu no nhwene
what is the second
amomo nya mo foforo
family ni mu ka hori
o say ene say mo kane
fam
anda ni pada da
wa se na da ko no mu
nhwene mo nya mo foforo mo adwene huhumu
yina to ko wa wadwene huhuru yemo
na mo nhye onipa
foforo so obon na me so
tene nya
hotim
di mo nya tro nhwene
so Paul okasa papa mesu wi Yesu Kristo free
Paul nsem
was an some Paul try
why
if you do some pan ya pay somewhere Paul try na nya de ketwa what into one Paul Psalms pa
David
no bi sabu so mani nye ho
so se we hu
adi sam de obi enko
le dizem de am ka mu nyanti ase
aba da nyanti ase what ase empisa ya di Kristo shame dia ani nanya kwase wura bio na Kristo ne padada no yesie no ala boni ni pasofo Kristo suban so what ase manya ho foforo nya koma foforo
yes
ento me nya so ni kwase wura bio ya di Kristo di na eba to amen the what was say so obi unti say uti ona satade red and black no be pew no woni mudia otimeka say frabra na ogira wona do satade kokko
no do atare na etire
what was say but the atare na etire and this what the Christo sola
the Christo
oka say for Christo na ogira wona mame
amen
the life of you the character of you behavior of you I said that this is Christo
amen
but subai any yano en fa that the amoya and kuro atro what you say diabre and name and some and a free alumuba and someone and fast when someone many panya nkwaje yanuma 17 yanuma some bomb at is a precoboom yanuma some bomb papa to someone like I do ni something appear in sana ni penu masamti na me bia ntiam otra sha demo me sha singers me sha sofo me sha dufo me sha church members ha but so we see from there and come to babio or the excavator
you giri
there's a one traba go be giri so down for Uncle Pam will be in flash on them. Could be one who book down. Because you knew you said your frown. I saw them near your good. I saw them near my local number. I saw them near magic. Coco. The Bobo is in a coco. Someone sacral. Mun sacra magic. Mun show your day. Amen. And so if you say when you die with a free yasi. A foot on a mouth. Liberty a bit. Some of my foot yash over near a radical left you. So binding the yana one in the moon. Mom Cassamo ya Christopher. No Cassamo sorry. And Cassamo and Namijuma, one of Namijuma. You are almost should be out. You will be a bit John Revelator. There would be a bit of smart for Paul. No opposition. And so German to all and a far Christ. Was it coming in and fast one? Yes, you Christian who are Bruce 20. We will say Sumina Swadi. Never do Newman in our dear. I dare people who say Sumina Swadi. And then I hear your chance here. What is here? What do you say? And no question. Or baby Garia Satadian so called Plaza. Oko two line in Mama could die or the Garia Satadia for first mass. Or because first service. What do you say? But born to free. When we are because we get Christoni. Christoni, you know, Kristo ne yehunu wo subamu Kristo ne yehunu ni yomu so ma futia asewani a me se dwane na jokro na no me ka se me se Pillar of Zion Church when you want to say open kwaji amema bi ama when you want to say open kwaji a ensuo until I say old Pentecost amaki obeti ya no ana awahano ene yako the Pentecost for you am pa me na hwe na mo am fan toto no Pentecost no me se maki yi na konno firi ho esi ha the one pa all Pentecost na krono bra pila ababua
ni abru
cause nkoji ya nkronkro
no
so sim power so from akudisi ho no nyano akonya na besia tini office ya sel men to sabi wa ya wasu wa sel ola se oba kwani wa sheche tente nya muapai na konya kakraka no the kawase population pasano akofa Roman Catholic method and your program pasano se na se from akosi from a won wura chore hobi o si ho asampa na meka teni jani kao sorry fi ho
ni mere
ma ni bio se chokra nkojo enya church
Tabi, eja we be timayo.
Na manka me say manka. Me say old Methodist no, e pillar. John Wesley akonya no yi free Methodist ache. O ya bompa e bu sawrade. Se kwase wi asise wi aye no kore. Mo sa akonya na nsi hobi o.
Si wa ne nsi wo.
Cause juma ba ya no. Ko ba ya na sesam. They say new Methodist, they were new Pentecost, they were new resurrection power, they were new assemblies of God. That's the son. All Methodist is kolo. Ono nyame to ni pakese dia safo abeso no. No ba na no ya no na nyame yusu na wo se enye. That's the son. The preacher wada. Okronfo ni abon panini. What is a German for? Get like Ada. Secondicious, I'm not a body panini. So for Benfua, you are one down. That's why apostle. I went to my mentor. The future of the mountain, sir. Here now, crying it out.
Amen.
Also a sacred dia. Here now, crying it out. Subana onina muno. Amwa. Also, we are for them. And yes, I'm a bow. I am a shoe. You who bonnet.
Yes, I am go.
Already, some years second. It is a second cow last year. Bonnet does from Hodia. Not as a yet. But what you say, the thing Uncle Passami and Clanton for you. Yes. It's a 70. To what you for him. Let's say what I should to Obama. What you should not say what I should to Impera. What you should not should to Insha. What you should not see on Benfua.
Same wow.
The catcher need to quit. Sorry. So the film, not that one who saw that is a hill and incro. I'm a crab and young quadgy. I'm a pay, we can see a show now. Only Jesus Christ alone, and I don't hope but I know Shiamua, the best we study Christ very well. Never so, on your cashier. Amen. Amen.
Yara wasese woni munyam se ne wayi atenwa kan ni motu ye fo ati eche boy na asema ba ye ni sunya fa mobra emu na ye nkwa wo amen.
Me sha do some I'm going to say, Saba be a nipa to nipa go. Wrong.
Yeah.
It was all you said. The word Christ, no. What the other say? Was it? Some people say,
you may now subscribe.